Welcome back to SHIB Planet, everyone. This is Ace. Shiba Inu has recovered exceptionally well today, together with the rest of the market, and today we're going to have a look at some of the reasons why. I'll start off by showing you some on-chain analytics to show you how traders have been behaving, and then we're going to look at a couple of news points and announcements from the developers to see what's been causing such confidence today. Okay guys, let's get right to it. The overall market seems to have picked up, with the global crypto market cap up by 1.81% at about $1.9 trillion, and most of the top 20 cryptos are up an average of about 10% over the past week and mostly about 2 to 5% over the past day. But Shiba Inu continues to be a standing out way ahead of the pack by posting a weekly gain of over 40%, and it's currently up 26% on the day. Okay, the Fear and Greed Index has also shot up by 25 points to about 45 units. It's still in the fear category, but it's approaching neutral territory, which is an overall sign of confidence. If we take a look at the chart, Shiba Inu has so far peaked at a price of 29,000 units, which now has a market cap of $16 billion, making us the 14th largest crypto at the moment. And most of this activity has come from the past 24 hours, where you can see this massive green spike here, which is actually quite in line with Bitcoin activity from today. Okay, let's take a look at some on-chain analytics. The signals today are mostly bullish, and 50% of holders are currently in a profit position. This chart shows a view of the number of addresses which bought at various price points. It actually shows that there's a significant number of people who bought at the low 30s range, and it's likely to be a resistance point if Shiba Inu pumps any higher than this. The metric data shows that Shiba Inu currently has a price correlation of nearly 1 with Bitcoin, and that's actually a very strong signal that whales are trading Shiba Inu in the same way that they trade Bitcoin. And this data comes from the intotheblock.com. And here's an explanation of what that means. It says here, the closer the number is to 1, the stronger the relationship between the two crypto asset prices, meaning that both are likely to move in the same direction on any given day. I personally think this is a good trading tool to use because it can work as a leading indicator. Basically, if Bitcoin moves in any direction, there's a strong chance that Shiba Inu will follow, and that's exactly what's happening today. Actually, here's a tip. You can actually use this to find other cryptocurrencies which have a high Bitcoin correlation and then place your trades with a bit more confidence. Okay, let's catch up on some news. According to this article, it says Shiba Inu whales control 26% of the token supplies. Here is how it might be bullish. And if I scroll down, the article goes on to say, following the recovery of the altcoin market, Shiba Inu and other small altcoins have experienced a sudden price increase, with SHIB gaining, it says here 7.5%, but we now know that it's up over 26% at its daily peak. And while retail traders are buying into the asset, the whales that control most of the supply are facing $100 million worth of profit, which is awesome. And if I scroll down, it says, according to the data from Whale Stats, whales currently control 26% of the supply. And the last bit here, it says, the accumulation of Shiba Inu by whales began when the token lost almost 30% of its value. And it goes on to say that whales have been buying up to $300 million worth of SHIB in a matter of days. And maybe this could be the reason why. It looks like there's been progress regarding the development of Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain. An article was posted today saying, public testnet of Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution to launch very soon. And they're actually passing on a reference from the developers, pretty much stating this. SHIB Informer's Twitter says over here, our friends at Unification are working with us on Shibarium, and they released a very interesting media post today. Let's take a look. And if I open it, it says here, Unification Foundation is proud to continue development of Shibarium, the next prominent L2 in partnership with the SHIB army, enabling rapid, low-cost transactions optimized for gaming. While the scale of the project doesn't allow a definitive timeline to be released as of yet, the second version of Shibarium's private testnet is now live and under optimization across both teams, with plans of a public testnet release to come very soon. And this is good news because we know that Shibarium is going to be the foundation for all things which are developed in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, meaning things like ShibaSwap 2.0, the Shiba Inu Metaverse, the Shiboshis play-to-earn game, and the Shiba Inu decentralized marketplace with ShibaNet. And the unique thing about Shibarium compared with other L2s is that all transactions on it will burn Shiba Inu tokens, which will gradually reduce the circulating supply. And if you're interested in seeing how that works, I recently posted an animated video which shows an example of how this will work. I showed how Bone Token will be used for fees and how SHIB gets burnt. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to watch. And a couple of days ago, this article was posted on zcrypto.com. It says, Shiba Inu's bullish Robinhood catalyst inches closer. And if I scroll down to a bit more of the details, it goes on to say, the question was read by Shah, and they inquired whether or not the company would be listing Shiba Inu in addition to other cryptocurrencies. Tenev stated that in the coming months, Robinhood users would see more cryptocurrencies on the platform because they have, in quotes, been hearing their customers loudly. And he added that the reason for the slow pace was the need to play according to the rules of the regulators. So, as you can see, there's never a shortage of news concerning Shiba Inu and its potential catalysts, and the whales have been taking advantage of this and making serious profits. But I'm not complaining because overall this really helps legitimize Shiba Inu as a robust digital asset. And to wrap things up, this article by the NASDAQ says why Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and the Sandbox are gaining today. And if I scroll down for more details, it says, lately cryptocurrencies have been impacted by many of the same catalysts which have shaped valuations in the stock market. It's been especially lumpy earnings season for big tech companies so far, and the cryptocurrency market has seen big price swings that coincided with recent reports from Netflix and Meta platforms, etc. And if I scroll down, it says, while gains for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu over the last week appear to be driven primarily by market momentum, the Sandbox gains seem to be influenced by the evolution of its underlying metaverse platform. And on that point, it goes on to say, Shiba Inu is currently more similar to Dogecoin in the sense that it primarily functions as a speculative investment vehicle and digital currency, but it could eventually have more in common with Sandbox. A metaverse built around the SHIB token is on track to launch this year, and some investors are betting that it could spur demand for the token. And there you have it, guys. Some on and off-chain activity which has been influencing the price of Shiba Inu. And actually, at the moment, Shiba Inu is regaining its momentum and becoming the #1 held ERC20 token among Ethereum whales. It's currently only #2, only by a whisker. And before I sign off, guys, Minted Crypto USA will be burning 10% of all their sales as SHIB token burns. So if you're interested in literally the best high quality physical collectible coins, head over to Minted Crypto USA via the link in the description below. And that wraps it up for today's video, guys. I personally believe that if the market continues to warm up, 2022 is likely to be a good year for Shiba Inu, especially with our ever-growing amount of holders and the number of all the major catalysts and deals which are in the pipeline. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments section, guys, and remember to leave a like as this really helps the videos. And thank you once again so much for watching, everyone. This is Ace. Peace.